What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you the Great River Shelter Zone and how to get the Mystical Crate, Weapon and Armor Crates, and of course the Rift Anchor. This one is located in the eastern province of the Onyx Tundra. Zooming in, we'll start all the way at the main entrance over here. You'll see it connects to the road, but there is a teleporter just up the hill, and we'll use parachute down to roughly this area here. So that's where I'll go. Heading all the way down. Assuming you have a quest here, it'll be in the same plus-minus area. So starting from this road over here, coming up towards the facility, you'll find some level 17 guards throughout this entire facility, and we'll head towards this main entrance just to the right over here. Inside of here, you should see that to the left here, heading across and up this ramp, we'll get to this little entrance door over here. Inside of this, you'll see an elevator. We'll need to activate this and wait for it to arrive. Then on the inside, interact once more, and we'll head into the facility. Head out of the elevator, to the right, outside here, and across the bridge. Inside of this main little prison area, to the left, you'll find a block of ice. You've probably interacted with this little puzzle before. All you need is a Molotov. Equip it and throw it towards the ice to break it. There may be other ways to do this. We'll be ignoring the other floors, and we'll head through the ice that we just broke. Inside of here, you'll now find the first weapon crate. This is what we get from it. Then we'll head just out of here to the left through this little doorway, and to the left once more, you'll find an elevator. Call this, take it, and at the very top, you should be able to come out here, and some of these guards may drop you a key card. It's a good idea to clear them out. And on this floor over here, you'll find the Rift Anchor immediately behind you. So we'll start by activating this, and once we've done this, we'll head back towards the staircase, and you'll find this over here. So around this central pillar, to the right, you'll find the orange staircase that we can proceed up and complete this little hidden crate puzzle. So touching the first one, further up the stairs, to the right, at the top, we should now be given a hidden mystical crate. Inside of it, I get these items. Then, from here, we'll head to the right, northbound, and you'll find this section here. What we essentially want to do is jump down and parachute, where just below us, we'll find some more guards to get rid of. And instead of going down in this direction, we'll instead head back towards the building, southbound, and you should find down the staircase, this little entrance over here. We'll head across and into it after we get rid of the guards. So through here, you'll find a couple more vultures, but we'll essentially be heading through here, either right or left, takes you to the right place. A huge inside bit, where inside of here, you can immediately see the gear crate sitting right in the center. This area is pretty well guarded with a Rosetta Heavy and some other guards around, so it's probably a good idea to pick them off from a distance. As such, getting rid of the most dangerous enemy first should be able to handle the rest with ease, and we should be able to loot the central area here. These are the items that I got from the Rosetta Heavy, and we have the gear crate straight in the center. So inside of it, we get these items. Now quickly before we freeze, as I've run out of heat, I'll head back the way that we came in, out here, and out this centerpiece. We'll then head back up to where we were previously, so to the left and up this staircase. And if we haven't already cleared out the guards in the area, we'll need to do so now, as we'll be heading down the staircase in the center, so right here. Inside of here, you'll find an elevator that we need to call and use as such. And on the inside here, just to your left, behind you, you should find the mystical crate in here. Now, we can't just open this door. You'll need to complete the puzzle first. And in order to do this letter puzzle, you'll see a blue spot on the ground next to you. Stand in it and essentially just look back over towards this R. Place them correctly on your screen so they make an R as such. And the door should simply just let you through. That's it. We'll head through here and grab ourselves the mystical crate. Inside of it, we get a recursive bro frag, which is pretty good. Once we've got this, we'll head just out of the door and down this simple staircase over here, where you can immediately see something else hiding behind the glass here. I'm not too sure if this will be open if you don't have the quest here, but if you do, you should be able to get in here anyways. Inside of it, we'll have a weapon crate, which contains these items. Fantastic. I'll complete my quest here, and that should really complete the area for all of its loot, pretty much. Anyways, that's really it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.